It is still early days in terms of OnePlus 16 leaks since the phone is slated to launch sometime in Q4 2026. However, early leaks surrounding the OnePlus 16 have already started appearing. Leaks indicate OnePlus has settled on a flat 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED display supplied by BOE. While engineers initially tested a 240Hz screen, they have reportedly finalized a 185Hz refresh rate to achieve optimal power consumption and panel stability. The phone may have sub-1 mm bezels on all four sides. OnePlus will adopt 200-megapixel sensors for its 2026 phones, with the OnePlus 16 likely to receive a 200-megapixel primary camera, 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, include a 3x periscope telephoto camera, along with a dedicated AI button. The OnePlus 16 is tipped to run on the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset. It is paired with LPDDR6 RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Include a massive 9000 mAh battery, paired with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. OnePlus has not confirmed any details officially. The OnePlus 16 is expected to debut in China around October 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.